Let's continue to look at our apps. Now we're going to looking at the ScanPay Go app. ScanPay Go for Ellis Retail is an app that we have created for retailers. And retailers can then provide this app to their customers. So how do we install it? We find it in Play Store. And let's find everything from Ellis Retail. And here you see the ScanPay Go for Ellis Central. And we install it. And then we open it. These are information just for the first time we are opening the app. Let's just continue and go through it. So when we have the app open, we can do different things. So what do we want to do? We could go directly to shop. But before that, let's look at more. So here we can see the offers. These are the offers that are on offer from the retailer today. We can open each and every one to get more information. Like this. But we only see the general offers. Because there are more offers available for members, but we are not logged in yet. Let's browse a little bit more. Let's go into stores. Here you find where we are. You can do a find store. And for example, search for this store. And then the app is going to show you where this store is located. It's somewhere in UK. And you can always go back, screen out, and then you will see more where the other stores are. Let's go out of stores. And you can go into settings. This is similar as you saw in the mobile inventory app. But of course, when a retailer will have this app for their customers, this will be a fixed thing. We do not have to worry about it. But in our test versions, this is something you may need to change. Let's continue into language. That's where you can see which language you can have. So here we have also items. So here you have a hierarchy of items. You can go into drinks and you can look into each and every item, and then you can find the more detailed information. You can go into other places and find other items. So what is this? What do you think this is? You have seen it before. This is the hierarchy. Remember the hierarchy we were using in clienteling POS? This we can have as well in the ScanPay Go app. And then this hierarchy is as well used in e-commerce. So it can be used in different places in the system. But we only have 3 options here. Now I would like to go to more again and log in. So you can always log in, and I'm going to log in as Grant. And all the users, the members, they have password. That is their name, Grant, in this case. And then we do .1. And done. So we have logged in. And then you will see more options. If you go now to offers, for example, you will see the general offers as we saw before. And now you will see some personal offers. These are offers that depend on the club that this member that is logged in has. And Grant is a member in a club that is called Kronus SPG, not remember the standard Kronus. So if you look, you can also see more information as before. So now you're logged in. These are lists. You can have shopping lists. You didn't have shopping lists when you were not logged in, but now you can create your own shopping list. So we have the option to put in shopping lists, and we can add items into the shopping list, and we can create as many shopping lists as we like. So let's start to create a shopping list. We press the plus, and we create a name for it. It's the weekend. That's my shopping list. And now we can put items into the shopping list. We can either do it manually or we can do it by scanning. Let's do it by scanning. And then we can scan the item, and here it is. We can always go here and select it and increase the number if we would like to have more. Do we want another item into the shopping list? Then let's do that by scanning. And here it is. So this is how easy it is to create a shopping list. And we can even share shopping list with other members. But let's go back now. Now we browsed a little bit the app, but we haven't done the most important thing. That is to use it in a store to start shopping. So let's go and shop. And since we have a demo server connected with us, and his shops are located in the UK and we are wherever, then we're going to manually select a different store. But of course, in reality, you would be in the store, so the app would find out which store you are in. We are going to select the Krónu Supermarket Scanpay Go store. And we can start shopping by pressing the barcode button below to start scanning. We got it. So let's do that by scanning. So when we do scanning, we are going to use our phone against the barcode on the item. I'm doing that here with a picture. Here it is, the cola can. We're going to select 2, and then we press enter. And yes, we got this one as well. Do we want to shop something more? Press the barcode again, and the next item, the yogurt apricot. And you see there was an I here, information. Let's select it. And then you see more information about this item. And what is this text? Do you remember? This is the same text as we put in item HTML description. The same text as we can have in e-commerce for the items, or in the clientele in POS, or even in the standard POS when you double click the line. So this is all the same thing. And of course, with the image as well. Images are always the same, set in with retail items in the back office. So yes, we are going to set one yogurt. When we are ready, we can pay now. And what are you going to pay with? Are you going to pay with loyalty points, with a card, or pay at POS? These options can differ between retailers. Some retailers may only want to use card. Some retailers might only want to pay at POS, or allowing you loyalty points. One of these or all of these. That's totally up to what is set. The options here are set up with feature flags in back office of LA Central. This time we're going to pay with card, so we select it. And since we have not set in any card for Grant already, we will add a card. So let's do that. Here we put in the card number, and then the expiry date, and the CVV, 3 letters. And done. Do you want to remember the card or not? It's up to you. And we go continue. And you see purchase has been confirmed. Then it's up to the retailers if they would like this QR code to be scanned, so maybe a gate is opened for the shopper to go out of the store, or however you want to do it. This is something you can look at for each and every retailer. When we're done, we press done, and we are back here. Now we can go into more, and we can see a purchase history. So here we see the purchase history for Grant. If you select it, you will see what he was buying. So all the purchases will line up here as time flies. This is how easy it is to use the app.